Good afternoon, student. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with exercise 6.3 from NCERT book. I have also solved some question of exercise 6.3. Some question from question 1 to 6. Today I will solve from question number 7 onwards. So without any delaying, let's start and let's see how I will solve the question, and I hope you will enjoy the session. Let's move to the board and see how I am solving the question. See, this is the question number 7 from exercise 6.3 NCERT book. It in which it is given that ABC is a triangle, AD and CE are two of its altitude. We have to prove that AD and CE intersect each other at P. I have written the given things on the board. We have to prove that triangle AEP similar to triangle CDP. Second one, ABD similar to triangle CBE. Third one, AEP similar to triangle ADP. Fourth one, PDC similar to triangle BAC. One by one we will prove this one. So let us start from this. The first, in triangle AEP and triangle CDP. For doing similar of any two triangle, we have to equal at least two angles. So in triangle AEP and CDP, there is one angle that is vertically opposite angle, and this angle is this one. The name of this angle will be APE and CPD. APE is equal to angle CPD, that is vertically opposite angle. Now the next angle will be 90 degree. So we will say that angle AEP is equal to angle CDP, that is equal to 90 degree. Now two angles are equal, therefore triangle AEP similar to triangle CDP, that is equal to angle. This is the way to prove this one. Let's move to the next triangle, how we will prove this one. Now for second we will use same process. So first we will write in triangle ABD and triangle CBE. The first we have to just equal two angles so that the triangle will be similar. For this there is one angle that is common in both, so we will just go for this one. Angle ABD is equal to angle CBE, that is common in both. Angle B is common in both. Now the second angle is right angle, so angle ABD is equal to angle ADB is equal to angle angle CEB, that is equal to 90 degree. Now triangle ABD similar to triangle CBE, the criteria is angle. This is the process to prove this triangle as similar. Let's move to the third triangle. Now let's move to the third angle. So the solution of the third will be something like that. In triangle AEP and triangle ADB. Now see this one. Here angle A is common in both. So angle A is equal to angle A, that is equal to common in both. And the second one is angle AEP is equal to angle ADB, that is equal to 90 degree. Therefore triangle AEP similar to triangle ADB. Criteria will be angle. This is the third triangle. I hope now you are able to understand that how I will do the similar. So I will left this triangle and move for the next question, so that this is question number 8 from exercise 6.3. Again, it is given that ABCD is a parallelogram. AD is produced to E and BE intersect at F. We have to prove that triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB. ABE similar to triangle CFB. As you know that we have to make equal two angle for doing the similar of these two triangles. For this, you know that the opposite angle of parallelogram are equal, so angle A will be equal to angle C, and AE is parallel to BC, so this angle will be equal to this angle as an alternate angle, so this triangle will be similar. So let's start. In triangle ABE and triangle CFB, since angle A is equal to angle C, if opposite angle of parallelogram ABCD. Now angle AEB is equal to angle CBF, alternate interior angle. Therefore triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB, the criteria is angle. This is the process for this triangle to prove the similar. This is the question number 9 from exercise 6.3 NCERT book. It is given that ABC and AMP are two triangles, right angle triangles. Then we have to show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP and CA by PA is equal to BC by MP. So don't focus this the second proof, just focus on this. When you will do this similar, then automatically this one will be proved by the similar properties. So we just have to focus how we will prove these two triangles similar. As you know that for becoming the triangle similar, we must have to have equal two angles so that the triangle will be similar. For this, in triangle C, this one, in triangle ABC there is angle B, that is 90 degree, and in triangle AMP there is angle M, that is 90 degree, and one that angle that is A, that is common in both. So we have to just see this one. Solution. In triangle ABC and triangle AMP, the first angle is angle A is equal to angle A, that is equal to common in both. The second will be angle ABC is equal to angle AMP, that is equal to 90 degree. Therefore triangle ABC similar to triangle AMP, criteria will be angle. Now divide by similar properties, make the ratio of two sides. So we know that the AB will be equal to AB divided by AM is equal to BC divided by MP is equal to AC divided by AP. Now this one, BC is equal to MP divided by AC is equal to AP. So this is the proof. Now therefore BC by MP is equal to AC by AP. Second one also proved. The first one, this is the proof of first one. And this one is by similar criteria. Similarity. By similarity. Now student, this is the question number 10 of exercise 6.3. It is given that CD and GH are the bisector of angle ACB and FGE, and also it is given that triangle ACB is similar to triangle FGE. We have to prove that first CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. CD by CD divided by GH is equal to AC divided by FG. The first we have to prove. The second we have to prove that triangle DCB similar to triangle HGE. Now the third we have to prove triangle DCA similar to triangle HGF. So if first we will do the similar of this triangle, then we will achieve this one, because the corresponding sides are matching with this triangle. See this one, DC means this 2 divided by GH is equal to AC divided by GF. This is, so first you need to focus on this, how you will do the similar of these two triangles. See this one, in triangle DCA and HGF, the one angle is already equal because the triangle ACB is similar to triangle FGE, therefore angle A will be equal to angle G. What we need to do, we need to just equal one angle, and for this it is given that since triangle ACB is similar to triangle FGE, this is given, therefore angle C will be equal to angle G by properties of similar triangle. Now in 9th class you have studied that equal things are multiplied both sides, results are equal, so half of angle C will be equal to half of angle G. Half of angle G. What does it mean? Suppose if I will take 1, 2, 3, 4, it means that angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 2 will be equal to angle 4. This will be, it means angle 1 will equal to angle 3 and angle 2 will be equal to angle 4. Now with this relation, now I will able to prove the similar of this triangle. So start from in triangle DCA and triangle HGF, the first angle, that is angle 2 is equal to angle 4 and angle A is equal to angle F. This one is just a bit, now we have to prove, and this is given. Now we can say that triangle DCA similar to triangle HGF by angle criteria. Now separate this one, corresponding side DC divided by HG, CA divided by GF is equal to DA divided by HF. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove DC divided by HG. So DC divided by HG is equal to CA divided by GF. Now this is proved. Similarly, you can similar these two triangle DCB and HGE. For this, see this one, DCB and HGE, the one angle, that is B, will be equal to E and 1 is equal to 3. So I hope you have understood how you will do the similar of these two triangle. Let's move to the next question. Now student, this is question number 11 of exercise 6.3. The question is, ABC is an isosceles triangle such that AB is equal to AC. Such that AB is equal to AC. It is given that. Now, and given is also AD is perpendicular to BC, EF is perpendicular to EC. We have to show that triangle ABD similar to triangle ECF. So here is the E point. You know that for making triangle similar we have to make at least two angle equal. So we will go for this one. The first angle will be angle B will be equal to angle C, because triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. The base angle will be equal. Now the second will be in triangle ADB, it is angle D, that is 90 degree. In triangle ECF, that is angle F, that is also 90 degree. So we will start for this one, and in triangle ABD and triangle ECF, the first angle is angle B is equal to angle C, that is equal to given. Now the second angle is angle ADB is equal to angle EFC, that is equal to 90 degree. Therefore triangle ABD similar to triangle ECF, the criteria is angle. This is the proof of question number 11. Now student, this is the question number 12. This is the important question, that's why I have written VVI. It is given that AB, BC and median AD of triangle ABC are proportional to PQ, QR and median PM of triangle PQR. We have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So we will just do for this one. Now here this one, for making triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, we have to do one thing. We have to use SAS criteria, because AB is proportional to PQ, it is given. BC is proportional to QR, it is given. BC is proportional to QR, it is given. If we will make angle B will equal to angle Q, then it will be easy for us to prove this triangle similar. So for making angle B equal to angle Q, we have to just first prove triangle ADB similar to triangle PMQ, and for this it will be very easy for us for making these two triangles similar. So we will go for this one first. So we will start, since it is given that AD divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR is equal to AD divided by PM. Now see this one, in triangle ADB the side is BD, and in triangle PMQ the side is QM. So for in place of BC we will write as 2BD, and in place of QR we will write 2QM. So 2 will be cancelled out and side will be proportional. So we will write 2BD and 2QM, because D will be the D is the midpoint, because D is the midpoint of BC, and QM is the midpoint of QR, and M is the midpoint of QR. It is given. Now 2 will be cancelled out, so it will be AD by PQ is equal to BD by QM is equal to AD by PM. Now see the triangle ADB and triangle PQ. The side will be, all corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore triangle ADB. These are the sides of triangle ADB and PMQ. Therefore triangle ADB and triangle PMQ similar by SS criteria. Now for this we will get angle B is equal to angle Q by similar properties. Now when B will be equal to Q, then it is now it is easy for us to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now see this one, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Now just we have proved angle B is equal to angle Q, just we have to prove, and it is given that AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. it is given, therefore by SAS criteria, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, the criteria will be SAS criteria. So student, this is the last question. I am just concluding myself here. In my next video you will see the next question, rest question of exercise 6.3. Till that, have a good day. Goodbye. Thanks for watching my channel. Thanks for supporting. Keep supporting my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.